Hello guys, today I will show to you how to remove a background behind the transparent object, in this case this transparent fabric. And if you want to download the material, it is in the description. It is safe to download because the link from Google Drive. Pay attention to the hint of the shortcut at the bottom of the screen, and pay attention to the written message at the bottom of the screen. So in this case, I use this tool, background eraser tool. It is good to use for transparent object to remove the background. And according to my experience, this setting is the best for transparent object. I use this setting sampling once, and the limits this contiguous, and the tolerance I use 50. You can arrange by yourself here, and you can right click here to arrange the size of the brush and the hardness. I use 50 for the hardness. So if you want to remove the white background, first click the white background and then continue to the object. To see the removed background clearly, you can make new layer and fill it with red. And then don't forget to first click the white background and then continue to the object. Okay, if you feel it is too transparent, you can copy the layer by press Ctrl J and arrange the opacity. And then you can merge or convert to smart object. Okay guys, I think this is good already. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial.